Hi friends, Miss Kraus here to show you the ocean in the bottle experiment. Okay, you're going to need a bottle half filled with water, blue food coloring, and some vegetable oil. All right, I'm going to open my water bottle and we're going to put 10 drops of blue coloring in it. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, put the lid on that. Put the lid on so I don't spill it. And now I'm going to take my vegetable oil and I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way. Okay, you're going to need a funnel or a grown-up to help you with this because it can be very messy and you can spill it. So we're going to very carefully pour the oil the rest of the way in. I brought extra oil just in case I needed more, which I think I might. Okay, let me open up my other bottle of oil to fill it up the rest of the way. Uh-oh. Okay, so I had a little bit of trouble with that. All right, so now I filled it up with my oil. I'm going to close it back up so I don't spill any. Okay, now I'm going to close my water bottle up. I'm going to make sure I close it real tight so I don't, none leaks out. And I'm going to shake it up real good and we're going to see the layers of the ocean. Okay, now we're going to watch it separate. Okay, ooh, we can see the sunlit zone coming into the twilight zone, and look down here, the midnight zone, dark blue, a nice blue, and it's turning light blue. All right, so we're seeing the different layers of the ocean in our ocean experiment. All right, so now you know what materials you need. A water bottle half filled with water, 10 drops of blue food coloring, and vegetable oil. Now we need this.